guy surprised me. All I saw was fur and eyes. But it's a sweet little guy. I'm not gonna bother him. I'm gonna try not to. Check this out. I've been tromping around in this thing for about an hour, and I haven't seen a single thing. I did see a cool little rabbit over there, but that's about it. A bunch of ants and wood lice. No snakes. Doesn't mean they're not here, it's just I'm not seeing them. Anyway, I'm gonna see about getting into something else. Check this out. This here is a pygmy rattlesnake. This is probably the most common rattlesnake in the southeast United States. They are a pit viper, which means they have these heat sensing pits up in the front of their face. They carry a hemotoxin, but deaths from these guys are very rare because it's not a very potent venom, but they do have fangs and they will bite. The most common bites are on the hands, because what they like to do is they like to hide underneath the weeds and in the underbrush, and when people start doing their gardening or whatever, they stick their hands in there and that's where they get hit, usually on the hand. There have been reports of snakes like this in garden centers, big hardware stores that have like an outdoors plant section, but I've never seen one in there, even though I think that would be pretty neat. Say, hey, you know you got a rattlesnake back here? But no, these beautiful snake, and when they're easy to spot when they're out here like this, but most of the time you walk right past them, don't even notice. Gorgeous. Look at those bronze eyes, little strips of orange and everything on these guys. They're beautiful. You've seen me catch these guys before, so I'm not gonna bother this one. It's just chilling, minding its own business. I did bring Mr. Pinchy with me today, but I'm gonna let this one chill like this. I'm gonna mosey on, because personally I wouldn't want a giant come along with a big hook and pull me out of my resting spot. Nah. But yeah, it's beautiful, all right. Anyway, let's leave this guy alone. But yeah, this is the last night here. Tomorrow morning I'll start packing everything away, but I probably won't leave here until about 2-3 o'clock. That rice is starting to smell really good. Got some boil on the bag stuff, nothing special. And I got this coconut curry soup, and I'm gonna want to make it with the rice. I've never had this before. I love curry, so I decided to give it a go. It's not that expensive, and so. And then got some more chorizos. All right, those taste really awesome over the fire. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up my dinner here, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right. It's hot. It's good. Looks like there's gonna be plenty of food. Chodes are cooking. You hear them sizzling in there. Ooh, those are gonna be good. Chodes are cooking. Yeah, night 3. Tomorrow I gotta break camp and head back. This weekend's been phenomenal. Today's been great. Still, it didn't rain as much as I wanted. I like to keep those water bottles full. But I made do with what I had. Tonight I ate like a king. I didn't want to carry back all that heavy stuff. So I ate all my heavy stuff so that I don't have to lug it all the way back. The moon is almost full. The light's coming through the trees and illuminating all the woods. It looks really cool. But yeah, so tomorrow morning, like I said, I'm gonna break camp and to head back. And I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Thanks, guys. Take care. Good night. Had some crazy dreams. No weather last night. A little bit of wind, clouds rolled in and out. But so I'm gonna start breaking camp here pretty soon and start heading back. But yeah, it's nice. Temperatures are really comfortable right now. It's heavy overcast, so it looks like some weather's rolling in. We'll see. But I'm all out of water. I'm gonna have to go dip out of that pond back there. I don't really want to. Because it's alright for a coffee. But hopefully it'll start raining here pretty soon and I'll be able to give myself a proper drink. Alright. Let's get this day going. Well, that's about it. It's been an amazing weekend. Just didn't rain enough. I mean, it keeps threatening to, but who knows? I might get drenched out there walking back. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care.